The 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.